Have you ever wondered what items to have in your golf bag? In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 items every golfer should carry. Stick around because I've got some amazing tips for you. They might not make you a better player, but they'll definitely make you more organised when you get onto the golf course. So I've just taken delivery of a brand new golf cart bag. Before I get started, I'd love to know, what's your best tip when loading up your golf bag? Let me know in the comments below. So let's get started. I'd recommend carrying a Sharpie or marker pen to mark your ball so that you can easily identify it. And on this bag there's a really helpful holder for your pen just here. Next, if you wear a glove, you want to pack one of these. I've got this cool glove from Gogogo Sport, and on this bag there's a really helpful Velcro patch for attaching your glove. So if you take it off in between your shots, you can easily leave it here for easy access. I also carry spare gloves just in case I need to swap over during the round. Another top tip from years of playing golf in the rain is I always carry rain golf gloves in my bag. I really like these ones from Cobra Golf and they definitely work. I've tested these out in another video which you should definitely check out. They also fit nicely into the zip pouch just here. Next, you should always carry some water with you. I generally keep my water bottle in the pouch on my golf bag. Next, let's move on to tees. You'll need a few of these depending on which size and style you use. One of my top tips is that I use this cloth bag to carry all my tees, ball markers and pitch mark repairs inside. I used to leave them free inside the bag, but sometimes rummaging around for tees in my bag, they had a way of stabbing my fingers. This bag has a helpful tee holder section which I think is really useful. Don't forget your pitch mark repairer and ball marker. I really like to carry this ball marking tool which helps me draw lines on the golf ball with my Sharpie. Now, depending on the type of driver you use, you might want to carry an adjustable wrench. You might not want to adjust the loft on your driver during the round, but I once had the head of my driver come loose mid-round and I had no way to tighten it up. I now always keep one in my bag. Obviously you'll need golf balls. I usually carry a couple of sleeves. Let's pop these in the bag. That should cover me for the front 9. A top tip for playing winter golf in the UK is to carry some yellow golf balls just in case the conditions aren't great or you have to tee off in the fog, for example. They're not for everyone, but they're going in the bag. Also on this bag they have a handy pouch for any valuables, keys or money. This pouch has a nice soft lining and today I'll stick my AirPods in there. What's good about this bag is that the pouch is also waterproof, so the contents will stay dry when you're out on the course. If you're finding this video helpful, make sure to tap that like button as it really helps the channel. Next, I personally always use a rangefinder when I'm playing, and on this bag they've got a magnetic strip which allows you to attach your rangefinder securely. This is really useful if you want easy access. However, I'm in the habit of clipping mine onto the bag so that I know where it is at all times. Next up on the list is a golf towel, and mine also has a carabiner clip to easily attach it to my golf bag. While we're talking towels, we might as well move on to the next item. Don't forget to pack your waterproof. Depending on the weather forecast, I might also carry my waterproof trousers too, but today I'll just put my top in this large pouch on the side of the bag. I don't carry a first aid kit, but I do carry some essential items in this pouch just in case I need them. I've got paracetamol and antihistamine, some hay fever spray. I'll also pack some plasters, along with some bite and sting relief cream. And you never know, sometimes in the UK the sun might eventually shine, so I do pack sunscreen. Next up, you shouldn't forget to bring your umbrella with you. On this bag they have a simple way of attaching the umbrella just here. Let's hope it stays dry while I'm on the course. Once you've packed all your golf clubs onto the bag, you must make sure you've also packed your rain hood, just in case. This way, even in really wet weather, your clubs can stay dry. This golf bag comes with a really helpful rain hood that easily clips on and off. So these are my essential items that I think you should pack in your golf bag. What items have I missed? Comment below. And if you want to know how I organise my golf clubs into my cart bag, watch this video next and I'll catch you in the next one.